Ringke cases for the Galaxy Note 9. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. So Ringke decided to send me some cases for my Galaxy Note 9. I said yes in exchange to do this video, so let's see what they sent me. So pretty plain box, nothing special going on here. I do want to say that this is a nice little touch. They put a little note in here and it says, "Dear Zach, thank you again for the interest in the Ringke products. We're excited to present you with new Ringke releases from Galaxy Note 9, etc., etc., etc." So they sent me two cases. Sent me the Air in Smoke Black and the Wave in Coastal Blue. So that's what's inside here. And they also sent me this right here, some screen and lens cleaner. So thanks Ringke, appreciate that. So there's the two cases right there. One thing I'll say about Ringke, which is nice, and this is how they reduce the cost for you as the consumer, is they don't put a lot into their packaging. It's very simple, just basic like this. You won't buy Ringke for the most part in retail stores. They are pretty much just Amazon and online there. So again, that does pass on the savings to yourself as a consumer. So let's go ahead and get these open and take a look at them. So the first one we're gonna take a look at here is the Air. It's in Smoke Black. Let's take a look here. Pretty easy to get into. It's just a very basic TPU skin. There's nothing really special about it. There's no grip or anything like that. It does have a bit of a grippy kind of feel on the inside to get, I guess, kind of cushion the case, but honestly, it's just a TPU case. There is a little bit of Ringke branding right here, as you can see. So let's go ahead and pop in the Note 9 and see what it looks like. Again, this is the blue Note 9 that I have right here, and that's basically what you're gonna get right there. So just a basic TPU case. Looks like, yep, all buttons and everything line up, feels good. You do get a little bit of raised lip on the top and bottom here, so that your phone is raised up when you put it flat down. I can access the S Pen with no issue at all. Right here where the fingerprint reader is, you can see they kind of put a little bit of a slope right here, so you can easily put your finger down and unlock. But again, guys, this is just a very basic TPU case. But again, I'll leave a link down below if you want to pick up one for yourself. I'm sure Ringke's got it on there for a good price. We'll move on to the next one here. This is the Wave. The color is Coastal Blue. I'm looking forward to this one because it looks like the blue matches the Note 9 pretty well. And yes, it seems like it does. It's obviously a little bit brighter. You got kind of a two-tone type of case here. So you have a soft TPU right here, then a hard polycarbonate right here, and it's quite flexible. It's not going to pick up the fingerprints, so it's got that matte finish. It doesn't seem too thick. Let's go ahead and put the phone in here, put down all our corners, and oh yeah, that looks good. Look at that. So again, you have a raised top and bottom. You've got the fingerprints slide right here, so it's easy to kind of direct your finger in there, no problem at all. All buttons and everything seem to work well. Looks like I can get the S Pen out quite easily. You guys can see that. And yeah, I like this. It's not too bulky, very, very slick. I like the two-tone feel, the two-tone look here. That comes in the blue right there. I've seen other colors online as well, like purples and things like that, so definitely check them out. Again, I'll leave a link down below for you guys. So there you guys go. There is the Air and the Wave right there from Ringke. Not too impressed with the Air right here. It's basically a TPU case, but again, check them out. They might have different colors. The smoke color is nice, but again, it's just a basic case right there. The Wave right here, I would definitely recommend with the two-tone. You are going to get a little bit of protection. Again, it's not full certified drop protection, but you are going to get some basic surface protection. It looks good. It's not going to pick up fingerprints. It's not too bulky. This is my kind of case right here. I love the minimalist feel and the look of this. I'll definitely be using this for a while. Anyway, guys, hopefully that helped you out. Let me know down in the comment section. Have you ever bought a Ringke case? Is there a particular type you like? Or is there maybe a different value brand out there that you like to use yourself? Let me know down inside the comment section. Let's continue the conversation. Hopefully this has helped you guys out. If it has, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.